Hey guys, today I'll show you how to set up Waze for motorcycle navigation. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, go to settings, then tap vehicle details or vehicle type, depending on your version of the app. From the list of available vehicle types, select motorcycle. This helps Waze provide routes that are better suited for motorcycle travel where the feature is supported. After that, review your navigation preferences. You can choose whether to avoid toll roads, ferries, or difficult intersections by going to navigation in the settings menu. Make any changes based on your riding preferences. Once you're done, return to the map. Enter your destination and tap Go. Waze will begin navigation using your selected motorcycle settings. And that's how to set up Waze for motorcycle navigation. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.